It's 4 p.m. on a Friday. A customer emails, "Where's my shipment?" You call into order management, who then checks into SAP. You check your inbox. You call the logistics rep. No answer. By the time you have an answer, your customer has lost confidence in you. That's the problem Unity Central solves. And it does it without replacing a single system you're already running. Your data is everywhere, and it's disconnected. It's in SAP. It's in logistics and finance systems. It's in Excel. It's buried in email threads. Unity Central collects, stores, and indexes all of it. Every document, every signal, every timestamp, and centralizes it into a single connected chain for each order. No lift and shift. No rip and replace. It sits on top of what you already have, reads the signals flowing out of those systems, and does the work that should never have been manual in the first place. Here's your orders view. At a glance, every open order, where it stands, what stage it's in, and critically, that number in the corner, orders flagged as needs review. Those are your fires, before your customer calls, before you're behind. Let's start with a clean order. Invoiced, progressing, no flags. Every stage landed on time. Open, acknowledged, shipment started, invoiced. Every document linked and accounted for. 10 seconds. You know everything. No surprises, no action needed. You also have all linked documents, full order details, and a downloadable bundle you can share with any relevant parties. Now let's take a deeper dive and look at the flow. This is where you can see exactly how the order moved. Every step, every party involved, every document attached, all time-stamped in sequence. Now let's look at a needs review order. The moment you open it, the system tells you exactly what's wrong. There's a quantity variance. The ordered quantity and the shipped quantity don't match. You didn't need a customer call to find this. Unity Central already knew. As every document and signal flows in across the order lifecycle, the AI engine reads them in real time, comparing what was expected against what actually happened. When there's a mismatch, it flags it. No one had to go looking. No lost emails. No human error. The flow view shows you exactly where things broke down. Every step, every party, every document, all time-stamped in sequence. You can see the precise moment it went off track. The system already pieces information together, so you don't have to. If I wasn't using Unity Central, I would have never caught this. My customer would have called me before I called them. That's the difference between managing your business and reacting to it. Every order that moves through Unity Central becomes a permanent, time-stamped record of how your business actually runs. 6 months from now, a year from now, an order rep or a salesperson leaves. Day 1, their replacement opens Unity Central, pulls up the account, and sees every order, every document, every flag. The full history, intact. Nothing walks out the door, no knowledge gaps. The relationship continues without missing a beat. That's not just visibility. That's institutional memory, and it compounds over time. Every order that runs through the system becomes an asset your entire organization owns, not just the person managing it. For your back office team, the relief is just as real. The same volume of orders handled with half or a quarter of the effort because the manual work disappears. Begin your AI optimization journey in a grounded, meaningful way. Stay tuned for more videos on Unity Central.